Parrot Grill in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. Come on, let's go get a pretzel. So here we have our big Bavarian pretzel with some like horseradish thing. And it's really big. It's hot and salty. I don't know if I want to try it because I'm nervous about the cheese. So I think I might just do it plain. I have to. So time to twist and dip. The pretzel's good. It's warm, very. The taste of it is like just kind of like with the salt, it like flavors it up more. It tastes better with the salt than without the salt. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and rate it right now, and I'm probably gonna give it like a 7. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of our reviews. Bye.